Are you suffering from hair loss? Yes. Vian Hairwool tablet is the only solution for all hair-related problems like hair loss, baldness, thin hair, split ends, hair damage, dull hair, and graying of hairs. Hairwool tablet is enriched with the 19 essential nutrients which are required to prevent hair loss and all hair-related problems. Hairwool tablet contains 4 essential nutrition supplements like biotin, collagen peptide, green tea extract, and grapeseed extract. It contains 5 minerals like zinc, iron, selenium, copper, and silica. It contains 3 essential amino acids like L-methionine, L-cysteine, and L-lysine. It contains 7 essential vitamins and supplements like vitamin B3, B5, B6, B9, vitamin C, and inositol. Essential nutrition supplement of Hairwool tablet biotin, which is the most important component. It improves the keratin infrastructure, a basic hair protein. Collagen peptide, which nourishes scalp, makes hair harder, and reduces the split ends. Green tea extract, which stops hair fall, fights dandruff, promotes hair regeneration, and grapeseed extract, which makes scalp healthy, reduces the DST, the main cause of the hair loss. Essential mineral of the Hairwool tablet: zinc, which reverses the hair loss, improves hair structure and growth; iron, low level link to the hair loss; selenium, which protects the hair follicles, support hair regrowth; copper, which support healthy blood flow, stimulate new hair follicles; silica, which promote the hair regrowth, shine, prevents hair thinning, and restore vitality. Essential amino acids of the Hairwool tablet: L-methionine, which protects hair follicles, stop hair graying, thinning, and improves hair health; L-cysteine, which is an important part of the hair keratin, which maintains and holds hair moisture and prevents dryness; L-lysine, low level causes hair loss, which stimulate collagen and repair hair damage. Hairwool tablet is enriched with the unique blend of all important and essential nutritional supplements which are necessary to prevent hair loss and all hair related problems. About dosage guidelines of Hairwool tablet: initially 2 tablets per day for 1 month, followed by the 1 tablet per day for 2 months. Kindly note, it's a 3-month therapy and it can be given to both men and women.